Howdy, and welcome to another episode of Forever Happy. Glad to have you joining us today and give you a quick update. At the time of this filming, we are 4 days away. Yep, 4 days away from Grace gracing us with her presence. Yeah, we're so excited here at Forever Happy to have a new cast member arrive, Carolyn Grace. And she's due to arrive February 11th. So as I mentioned, we do have a channel for her. It's Growing with Grace. A couple of items that we've bought, a stroller and a pack and play bassinet. So you've got some reviews, unboxing over at that channel if you want to check it out. I will link that up in the corner here and you can go straight through there. Like I said, no subscribers yet. We really want to try to, I was hoping that we could maybe get to 100 before Grace got here, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. But if you're able to go over there and support her channel, that would be fantastic. Right here at Forever Happy, we're going to get started with another Filipino delicacy, and that's pork adobo. So we did chicken adobo last time. Now another favorite is pork adobo. And we use 1/3 cup of soy sauce, low sodium, 1/3 cup of vinegar, and we're going to use 3 of these dried bay leaves, and we're going to use about 3 cloves of garlic. So let me bust this out of here, and let's get some of that. And I'm going to show you a little trick of how to get the skin off of these guys, and you'll see. So I'm going to get 3 of them here. Get you a little container, depending on how much garlic you need to separate. And said we're doing 3. Yeah, that looks good. And let's test this out. Before I get started, if you are interested in, happiness, that's what this channel is about. And I share our family recipes as well as other things that we love to do in life that really brings happiness and joy into our life. And so if you're looking for those sort of guides or tips, please subscribe. Ring the bell, you'll be notified when new videos are available. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, because that'll share it with other people who may be interested in what you're interested in, and we can spread the love. All right, so back to the garlic. Got the garlic inside this little container here, and we're gonna just shake the dickens out of it. And we'll give it a little more shakes here. And you shall see the skin completely removed from the garlic. If it hasn't come completely off, all you got to do is keep it in there and do some more shaking. And there you go. All right, so we're just gonna cut this up into little pieces. All right, there we have it. So we're gonna actually, should do is go ahead and get a few more of these out, because we're gonna use it when we're cooking. So I'll get these here, and the rest of this we'll put away for another day. Now what we're making right now is we're just going to marinate. We have about almost 3 pounds of pork, and you can see you want to use fatty pork. I mean, that's the trick, because it really absorbs the flavor of the marinade really well and really cooks it in there. So you'll see. But these were what they call Southern style pork ribs. I mean, it's really just belly fat that they slice up into slices, and so that's what we got there. And now that we've chopped up our garlic, let's go ahead and get the marinade made. So we're going to use 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce, third cup of white vinegar, and our 3 cloves of garlic that we diced up here. And then 3 dried bay leaves. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to add our pork. Get this coated really well, and then we're going to let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours, and then we're going to cook it up. And as you can see, it's a very simple recipe. Doesn't take a whole lot of time, and it's going to be werewolves. It's not that time yet. It's going to be well worth your time. Welcome back. We've let the pork marinate for about 3 hours, almost 3.5 hours. So now go ahead and heat up our wok. All right, we're going to add about a little over a tablespoon of oil. Call it a tablespoon. We're going to add our onions. So I have chopped up 1 small brown onion. Our garlic here. Another 3 cloves. Let this cook for about a minute. All right, then we're gonna get our pork. I'm going to brown this meat some in here with the onions and the garlic. Now we kind of stir fried the pork here with the onions and the garlic for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So we got a cup of water. Two tablespoons of brown sugar. Tablespoon of whole peppercorns. And now the rest of our marinade we're going to add to this. Mix it up here. Bring it to a boil. Okay, we got it to a good boil. We're going to turn down the heat a little bit and let it simmer for a good, come back and check it in about 30 minutes. Now that we've let it, oh yeah, perfect. Letting it cook about 30 minutes there. We're going for this nice kind of a thick sauce that's coating the top of, or just coating the meat. If your liquid is still a little watery, you can just let it boil a little more until it gets nice and thick. Well, here you have it. Filipino Pork Adobo. Chef's benefit of being able to just go ahead and, after you. I think Linda might like this. You just might. So I want to thank all of you for joining us again today, or joining me here at Forever Happy, as we prepare to bring in our newest cast member, Carolyn Grace, this coming Friday, February 11th. And we'll be glad to share her with you. And as I mentioned, I'll go ahead and link right up here at the top a card for her channel, and we'll be kind of sharing our adventures with our daughter on that channel. We continue to do recipes and cooking and gardening and everything else here at Forever Happy. So if you like what you saw, if you enjoy these sort of things, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you can be notified if there's other videos posted. And remember, stay safe, keep smiling, and be happy. Take care, everyone.